How to export from Trello to Excel or CSV. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to export from Trello to Excel or CSV. So first of all, just simply open your Trello board, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're there in your Trello board, in order to download the Trello sheet in an Excel form or in CSV, all you have to do is just simply click on, and after that just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the right hand side of the Trello board itself. And from there you will be able to see the option called print, export and share, which is the second last option. Just simply click on that, and over here you will have the option to export the file in the CSV once you will upgrade the Trello subscription in your Trello board. So you won't be able to download the CSV file in the Trello until you have the upgraded version or the updated version of the Trello board with you. But you can export your file in the JSON or in QR code. So you can go ahead and select one of these, and after that just simply click on this download icon from the download section over here, and your file will be successfully downloaded in the and your file will be successfully exported through the Excel or CSV. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to export from Trello to Excel or CSV. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.